Once you have created a curriculum map, you can use that to choose where you're going to assess student learning. This is often referred to as assessment mapping. As your courses and your outcomes are already aligned, you can use that to identify where you're going to assess student learning. Within each course, there's often assignments that address those learning outcomes as well. If those assignments do have students directly work on an activity that touches on the learning outcome, in other words, not a survey or self-assessment, those are all considered direct assessments and are the best way to assess student learning. You don't need to assess every single place there is alignment. Make a decision, as program and institutional learning outcomes are written for students to achieve them at the completion of their program. Assessment should be conducted at or near graduation. The courses that have identified mastery then should be the first choice in assessing learning. The items marked with a check mark here are the ones that have been identified in this example for assessment purposes. In addition to assignments in mastery level courses, it can also be valuable to assess building or introductory level. This ensures that students are developing the skills to reach mastery and allows intervention if students are not reaching benchmarks. It is possible to do only mastery and look back later at building or introductory level perhaps. This is definitely the case if you have students who are not meeting mastery. You need to look back and find out where it is that they're not achieving those outcomes in order to make those interventions. In addition to assessments that are done within the classroom, it's also valuable sometimes to choose indirect assessments that might not be embedded into those courses, such as a survey. This type of additional data can provide a more complete picture of student learning or give insights into learning successes or challenges.